We are here with Coach Fisher after a great win tonight. Coming in, LIU Brooklyn, you knew had beat previous two top teams, and you knew they were going to be a challenge. I feel like defensively starting out, you guys were a bit challenged, but then you came back at the end of each set. How were you able to do that?
Well, the first, I think each set was a little different. The first set we made a bunch of attacking errors, and then just kind of it took us a while to settle into the match. The second set, I think we just were off the charts offensively, and so I'm not sure why we were. I think the second set was definitely a defensive problem, but the battling back, I think, is just hopefully indicative of the kind of team we're going to be in the ACC, and we're going to need to do that. We're going to be in a lot of tough situations coming up.
Jessica Wynn ended up with 15 kills. She had a great performance tonight. Can you talk about her a little bit?
Yeah, and I think she wouldn't tell you it was her best performance. She started out a little slow and stayed really patient, and we've been leaning on her, offensively the whole year. Unfortunately, we had, 4 other players with double-digit kills tonight, so she was the top, but we also had a lot of good performances from other players. So.
How were you able to handle number 10 from LIU? About 13 kills, very great offensively. Just talk about how you guys were able to, get together and try and control that.
Yeah, we weren't able to handle her. She's you can only contain a player like that. She's going to get her kills, and from the back row, she had her way with us. So we would like to do a better job with her in the future, but she's quite a player. So we did enough.
All right. Well, thank you, Coach, and great one tonight.
Thank you.